A Cameron County commissioner is filing harassment charges against a flood victim who lost everything he and his family have worked for. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Brenda Medina. In our top story, is it harassment or freedom of speech? It's going up to the courts to decide if the charges will hold. Local 23's Derek Garcia has been following the fallout between Commissioner Gus Ruiz and his constituents.
Yeah, so 3 sheriffs came to get me. I got a subpoena from Apple. They got a warrant for my phone. It was overboard for sure.
25-year-old Joel Alvarez is in trouble with the law. He's being charged with harassment after admitting to sending 2 profanity-laced emails to his elected official, Commissioner Gus Ruiz. The emails are short and to the point. We can't show you them because of the language, but Alvarez read them to Local 23.
Told him to burn, go, things like that, something along those lines.
The emails are a direct response after a private meeting with Commissioner Ruiz, County Judge Eddie Trevino, and flood victims. It turned into a disaster, and Judge Trevino said this.
Do you want help, or do you just want to?
The recording was leaked to Local 23, and we aired it, and since then, Judge Trevino has apologized. The meeting was closed off to the media, and deputy constables threatened flood victims recording with their cell phones.
Okay, sir.
Alvarez was at that closed meeting, and on July 3rd, he was there when Gus Ruiz was throwing a barbecue ahead of the 4th of July weekend, while their homes were underwater. He regrets sending the emails, but feels today the same way he did at the private meeting, the barbecue, and when his home was underwater. But now, a new emotion has set in. Fear.
Intimidated, repressed politically, I don't know, all those things in one. He says he sympathizes with the flood victims, but I don't really think so. Seems like he doesn't care.
Derek Garcia, Local 23 News.
Local 23 has called and wrote emails to Commissioner Ruiz's office several times for 2 days and have not received a response to that arrest. Alvarez feels this is a form of retaliation toward him and other victims who have been vocal of Commissioner Ruiz's job performance.